Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Dancehall artists are rallying for a cause. Entertainers have joined forces to raise funds for selector Nico Chromatic, a member of the popular Chromatic sound system who is battling renal failure. In 2015, the DJ was diagnosed and had started a GoFundMe account in an effort to raise funds for his reported $60,000 life-saving surgery. The GoFundMe page has managed to garner a reported $23,000 thus far. Among the party promoters are international stars Sean Paul, Mr. Vegas and Agent Sasco, as well as fellow DJs Foota Hype and Super Hype. The event is set for November 18 and is dubbed Dance Hall with a Cause and will take place at the Triple Century Car Park in New Kingston. Tickets cost $1,000 pre-sold, $1,500 at the gate, and there are limited VIP slots for $3,000 food inclusive. The event will feature performances by the Chromatic team and other surprise guests. Carrion is the official anthem for the Caribbean Love Now Jamathon initiative. 1 week before the staging of the massive all-star benefit concert in Kingston, a bevy of reggae and dancehall superstars have completed the anthem for the campaign. Songbirds Chronix, Taurus Riley, Remain Virgo, Tessan Chin and Sharita Lewis are the motivating voices heard on the track, which debuted on the RJR airwaves. The song was written by Sean Dietrich and Sharita Lewis and produced by Dean Fraser from Down Sound Records. The Jamathon is the first fundraising event for Caribbean Love Now and is slated to be held in Kingston on November 22. Spice and comedian in the studio. Dancehall artist Spice is hard at work with American internet comedian and rapper Fatboy SSE. The rapper is said to have arrived in Jamaica on Monday and has been in studios with Spice since. It's reported that they're working on a track that will be featured on SSE's upcoming album set for release later this year. Fatboy SSE is known for his highly controversial videos on the internet and boasts over 3.6 million followers on Instagram. International rapper Meek Mill is demanding his release from prison. The rapper argues that his 2 to 4 year sentencing is the result of what his lawyers call a vendetta carried against him by Judge Janice Brinkley. Meek's attorney has filed a legal motion for the judge to be removed from the case in light of those allegations. Meek also wants his probation dismissed altogether. He's requesting to be granted time served and to be released from prison. On November 13, hundreds gathered in Philadelphia to protest Meek Mill's imprisonment. Among them was rap superstar Rick Ross. Meek Mill was sentenced to 2 to 4 years in prison last week for violating probation in a nearly decade-old gun and drug case. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.